Good afternoon, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Maria Trifonia Aci from class 2020C. Thank to God Almighty for her blessings and grace, I can stand here to present my business plan. Here, I choose to be a knitwear seller. I will show you an example of a business plan that I will market. It is a cardigan and sweater. Now we enter to the vision and mission of the business I run. The first vision: make a quality knitwear store that is able to provide satisfaction and comfort for customers. Mission: the first is create and provide a variety of knitwear by following current trends. Second is use materials to make knitwear to the company's quality standard. Third is establish cooperation with suppliers or partners who support the needs of knitwear production. Fourth is prioritize customer satisfaction so as to increase customer loyalty to the purchase of knitwear. Product information. Knitwear is widely known by the public by the term knitwear, which is one of the fashion items that has always been synonymous with winter. Although it is not known for sure. Knitwear is clothing made of wool thread. Knitwear is divided into two types, namely cardigan and sweater. The size and shape are different. Here, the products that I market are short in size and some are long and adjusted to their respective shapes depending on your interest. The size start from S, M, L, XL, XXL. This knitwear is an outfit that uses a very thick cloth so that it is widely used by community. This knitwear is usually used in winter, but also for a normal day or free to use. This knitting material is made by knitting yarn using a machine for mass production in the factory. Threads that are knitted to be arranged, then connected to each other until a fabric is formed with a strong tangle. The characteristic of valuable and elastic knitwear can easily adjust to shape and curves of the body. It does not take much if in the development of the art of knitting is widely applied to various forms of products, such as in my business, it is sweaters and cardigans. Although created specifically to warm the body of clothing from knitting materials are also often used by the people of Indonesia when attending casual events or just hangouts. Knitwear is perfect for those of you who like to travel far or to campus but do not to bother too much to wear a double shirt. Just wear cardigans and knit sweaters sold in our stores. Next, product segmentation. First, demographic segmentation. The demographic segmentation of knitwear covers the entire age, from children to adults. Second is geographic segmentation. The geographic segmentation of knitwear is marketed to all consumers who need and to be reached by consumers from various walks of life. Third is psychographic segmentation. The psychographic segmentation of knitwear is marketed to children, adolescents, to adults who love current trends. Next, business budgeting. The initial capital is estimated the 30 million with the following details. The first is purchase of tools and materials. saving tools with a price range of 1 million one piece. Here is take 5 pieces mean 5 times 2 million means 10 million. The second is scissors, knitting needles, sewing needles, measuring device such as ruler, pins with a price range for initially a million. The third is wool yarn. It takes 1,000 rulers for each initial stage at a price of the 1,000 per roller. 1,000 rollers multiplied by 3,000 rupiah to 3 million thousand rupiah. The fourth is employees' salaries. In this knitwear business, it takes 4 permanent employees with a salary range of 2,500,000 per person. With the target clothes obtained is 200 pieces starting from the clothes of teenagers and adults. 200 pieces of clothing with details. First, 60 pieces for children. Second, 100 pieces for teenagers. Third, 50 pieces for adults. Next, the strategy that I use to get business capital. There are 2 strategies that I use to help get this business capital is the first, using personal savings. The second, find a business partner or work with a business research. For example, establishing cooperation and looking for creative business ideas together. Now we enter to the strength of my business. The first, have got quality clothing of affordable price compared to products from other stores. The second, have a strategic marketing location. The third, having an employee who is very skilled so that in the process of knitting does not find difficulties, especially in the span of making knitwear. And then the weakness of my business. The first, there is still a lack of capital in the purchase of materials. The second, bookkeeping that is still manual, does not use online applications. The opportunity of my business. The first, cold weather makes many people want to use knitting products such as knitwear to maintain endurance. Second, competition is still small, so that the speed to dominate the market is getting bigger. Third, there is creativity and innovation of knitwear design that we produce. Next, threats or challenges of my business. The first is risk in managing the finances of this business because of its management manually, where it will be a risk such as miscalculation, estimation, and also loss. Second, the increase in the price of raw materials that can cause lower profit values. The next, strategies to address business weakness and threats. The strategies to address business weakness and threats using the SWOT analysis method, because SWOT analysis is the key to developing a business and facing competition by conducting a thorough review. Insight into the advantages and weakness of the company both outside and inside will help in creating quality strategies to achieve the desired goals. Next, my business motto: your satisfaction is our satisfaction as well. And do not forget to stop by our store, which is cheap and affordable. I think that's all, and I need to say at this point. Thank you for your participation and cooperation. Good afternoon. See you.